Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. It's the 25th of October and it's around 6:43 a.m. as I record this video. Things are looking good. Yesterday was great. Today is also looking good. Tesla had done a lot of sentiment boosting, and I think we are on track to higher levels as I look at QQQ. For that and more, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. We are on the news section looking at CNBC headlines, and as you can see, Dow futures are up 0.24%, S&P futures are up 0.27%, Nasdaq futures are up 0.30%, and oil is up consecutively for the third day for a handsome 0.78%. So everything is looking good in the pre-market session. Hopefully it persists. And I have a few headlines that I want to talk to you about. Biden's latest student debt plan creates new forgiveness path for borrowers facing financial ruin. The student debt cancellation is a good thing. It helps the labor force improve and people have a better standard of life. But I think you have to address the root cause. Why do students end up with so much debt? It's better to fund the universities rather than put a lot of burden on the students and then go and cancel those debts. So I think debt cancelling is just a political stunt. The real solution would be to fund the universities, and that should be the long-term goal. Now, next thing that catches my eye is conflicting economic signals are causing confusing conditions in the bond market, which also shows why the 10-year treasury yield, which a couple of days ago had scaled the peak, is now back down again. It was down yesterday, it's down again today. So these kind of things do affect the mortgage market and the housing market. And Apple returns to the top 5 smartphone ranking in China with iPhone 16 as Huawei battle warms up. This is a good news for Apple. Next, looking at Bloomberg headline, Trump 2.0 haunts world economic chiefs gathering in Washington. They are gathered to discuss technical stuff like debt, inflation, interest rates. What's really on their mind is Trump and his tariff plans. It's going to be a gong show if Trump gets elected again. But let us see where it goes. Every country deserves the government that they get because it's the citizens who vote for it. And as a non-citizen, I have no stake in the game, but definitely what happens in the US is going to impact the world order as well as the world economics. So guys, if you're going to vote, just be careful, think carefully and vote. Don't stay back. So that done, let's look at the stock market heat map where there's a sea of red on all the defensives. So people are getting more risk appetite and money has flown back into semiconductors in big measures and also into financials. I think technology might expect to attract more money today, especially because of the Apple news, and also because when semiconductors go up, the indication is that AI is going up, and all these technology players are well into AI. So look forward to that today. Let's go to the indices, and Nasdaq futures is starting to looking good. We have got a series of higher highs. So we have a super bull channel in which we are moving. Within that, we had another bull channel, and now we have an elevated bull channel, which I think is running from here to here. So this is the new bull channel that we are looking at. So we have been going up in leaps and bounds, and now what this is going to lead us to is a wedge out here on a bull channel, and then that has to break out on the upside. This is the way I expect that it would go. And if we were to say how long can everything keep going up, well, it can do that for a very, very long time. Now I'm going into the monthly chart, and you can see that right from the beginning we have been going up, and our accent has been much higher out here because of an industrial revolution called AI. So there's a steeper accent, and here we reached the peak, came down, then AI debuted, then we went up again. This was the pandemic related drop. and AI related bump up again. So it's all good. It could go up further. It's not beyond the realms of possibility. Next, let us look at QQQ. QQQ is looking pretty good this morning. Yesterday it gained 0.81% and today it's already up 0.32% in the pre-market sessions. So I'm hoping that we will start challenging the 9-day exponential today and convert that into a support in a day or two. MACD is not looking great, but momentum is looking phenomenal. So I'm hoping that things are going to improve today for QQQ, especially with the Apple news. And then we have genomics, where we have PACB, which has got no trades pre-market. IMTX has no trades pre-market. Bluebird is down 0.02% pre-market. Ginkgo Bioworks has no trades pre-market. Prime is up 0.24% pre-market. Allogene has no trades pre-market. Iowa is up 0.47% pre-market. And as predicted, friends, it is broken out of the wedge on the upside. I had considered this a bullish wedge, as I mentioned yesterday, and things have turned out well, so I'm gratified by that. The next target for us is going to be to break through the 10.88 resistance. And we have mRNA, which is up 0.55%. Beam Therapeutics has got no trades pre-market. Intelia has had a huge drop, and one of our subscribers, Michael, has asked what is it all about. I'm also actually looking for the answer, so today I'm going to publish a video on that. It's indeed a huge drop. Let us take a measuring wedge and see where we are with this drop. So we dropped around 20% yesterday. So anyone holding Intelia, watch out for this video. I'll have it for you today. Editas is the next stock, which is down 0.94% this morning in pre-market trades. Altimmune is down 0.07% in pre-market trades, still struggling to get into the bullish channel. Caribou Biosciences has no trade pre-market. CRISPR Therapeutics is down 0.21 pre-market after a gain of 4.24 yesterday. I think CRISPR will gain again today because MACD is looking good and momentum is also looking good. We also have earnings coming up on 30th of October, and we could get some information about the data on the CAR T therapies and also VCTX. So all those things could give a boost for CRISPR Therapeutics. ARCG is up 0.47%. Grail has got no trades pre-market. Illumina is up 0.16% in pre-market trades, trying to stay above the support line of 141.43, and it's at 141.62 right now. And we have Verve, which has got no trades pre-market. Next, let's go and have a look at our AI segment and see what's happening out there. Google is up 0.38%. Tesla is down 1.84%. Friends, I looked at Tesla results and the EPS has gone up. That's a good thing, but I don't see how it's going to be sustained because the EV market has got a lot of competition, and Tesla needs some good model refreshes so that it can maintain the buyer enthusiasm. And also Elon Musk getting into politics is definitely going to have a huge shadow on Tesla. So I'm going to stay away and watch it. Maybe you call me a Tesla hater or whatever, but Tesla probably is going to drop value going forward. Let us look at Apple. Apple is down 0.93% in pre-market trade. And we have Meta, which is up 0.87% in pre-market trade. MACD is looking bearish, but momentum is trying to do the repairs out there. Amazon is up 0.71%. Again, momentum is looking decent. MACD needs to be repaired. Microsoft is up 0.54%. Both MACD and momentum are looking good. It's still on a bull channel. AMD is looking good. It's up 0.85% this morning. But if you look at the indicators, MACD is bearish, though moving towards the signal line. Momentum is picking up. AMD has results on the 29th of October, so there could be a little bit of jitters, but we still are within this diagonal line of support of a bullish channel. Palantir is up 0.41% in pre-market trades. And we have FNGU, which is up 0.76% in pre-market trades. Broadcom is up 1.20% in pre-market trades. Oracle is up 0.53% in pre-market trades. This is again a bullish pennant. I think it's going to be the same structure like here, and then there'll be a jump and then again another consolidation. It's all-time highs that are being scaled out here. MACD is bearish, but momentum is still above average. Micron is up 1.09%. Net That is Cloudflare is up 0.92%, and then we have Nvidia, which is up 0.39%, still riding a bullish channel, and Qualcomm is up 0.38%, SMCI is up 1.02%, ARM Holdings is up 0.29%, ASML is up 0.70%, Intel Corporation is down 0.04%, and then we have SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, which is up 0.60%. So here also we are riding a superior bull channel, and this is what I would say is the superior bull channel. So things are looking good for ETFs as well on semiconductors. So friends, that brings me to an end of today's video, and I'll give you some parting thoughts. I think when you look at the Tesla chart, earlier people did not believe that Tesla would be in a position to bring out an electric car. Everybody thought that ICE engine is where it should be. And when they released their first model electric car, immediately the stock price went up significantly. Till then, there was a huge amount of shorting. And even after that, there was shorting. But Elon Musk has captured the common imagination, has created a huge follower base who are looking at a sci-fi future, and they are voting with their money. So all the gains that happened after the first electric car was released is the same thing that is continuing right now. And we still don't have the Sportster, we still don't have full FSD. And also there is all this talk about going to Mars by 2026 and stuff like that. So there's a lot of showmanship going on here. So this stock is likely to be volatile. Please don't get me wrong. Tesla has manufactured cars. It has got power panels. It has got solar roofs, and it's got that boring company, a lot of futuristic projects. But I was listening to a video by Neil deGrasse Tyson. He was saying that breakthrough things which needs a lot of money is usually done by the government, because the government is doing it to get geopolitical advantage, and for that any price is a low price. And these includes things like moonshots, going to the moon, or creating huge projects which do not have immediate commercial return. So I think that Neil deGrasse Tyson has a good point. Even if Elon Musk is a billionaire, the richest of the richest, I don't think it makes a business case for sending rockets to Mars. That is something that NASA or some government are likely to do. And private sector will end up being a provider because they can do it in a cost-effective manner. But private investment is less likely to come in for those kind of things. And even if you look at genomics itself, or genomic stocks, when they were launched, when CRISPR was discovered, and the potential of CRISPR was explained to the general public, a whole lot of people jumped into the market to create CRISPR-based solutions, and a whole lot of investors who were enamored by that vision pumped in a lot of money. That's why if you look at all our genomic company startups which they started up with huge valuation, and then as the reality started setting in that it's not so easy, it takes time and efforts, the values have gone down. And now we are in a situation where everybody knows the potential of CRISPR, but they're all waiting for the payday. They are saying, okay, get it approved by FDA and show the results, show me the money, and I'm coming in. So that's where we are, and that's where CRISPR is standing at the threshold. And established companies like Illumina and PSC already have a market share, and they have got, especially Illumina has got great pricing going on. If they had not had the misadventure of Grail, they would have been a blue chip company by now already. So that's my 2 cents worth this morning. So guys, please think carefully this morning when you go for investing. The market is a volatile place. There is no sure thing, and economic reports are going to continue coming in. We have to look at the next rate cut, and we also look at profit taking for the year end and repositioning, and we have to also look forward to the Santa Claus rally to happen towards the end of the year. So friends, give me your feedback and let me know what you think, and I'll be back with a video on Intellia. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.